that were so attractive in my eyes. And I was tempted to committing to the point of death, committing even my soul beyond money, beyond time. But even my soul spoke to those things. And I said, I even prepared to die for it. But today, I wanted to put your hands together for a man that you have surrendered your life unto. When you are doing so, I want you to pledge and say, you shall be my Lord as long as I live. You shall be my Lord as long as I come to the church. I don't need the Lord of snakes. I don't need the Lord of tools. I don't need the Lord of petrol. I need the Lord of the Spirit. For the Bible says, where the Spirit of God is, where Christ is, His Spirit liberates. I'm liberated by the Spirit of the Lord. And therefore I don't need any man-made things. I commit my soul unto the presence of the Lord. Make this pledge and say once again, you are my Lord. Also